Mweroreri wa Castro Media ndumiriri ya mwanya na ya keha nireyumiririe kuria mwena wa Facebook muthenya wa ira yaigie gikuo kia Lizzie Wanyoike. Lizzie Wanyoike niwe director wa Nibs Technical College, na mathaa manini tutanamukira ripoti ya gikuo giake, Lizzie Wanyoike ni arapostire kuria mwena wa Facebook na arauga St. Mark 11:24, therefore I tell you, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours. May God answer all you have prayed for. Have a wonderful Sunday. Uguo niguo Lizzie Wanyoike arapostete kuria mwena wa Facebook, na mathaa manini thutha ucio turamukira ripoti cia gikuo giake. Tugagicera guku thukuru-ini wa Nibs College guko mwena wa Ruiru nigetha twaranirie na andu matiganite a thukuru uyu hamwe na arutwo nigetha matwire maramukirire ndumiriri ino yegie gikuo kia Lizzie Wanyoike atia muthenya wa ira. Tutanaba kwaranirie nao goba gutige na video ino ya Lizzie Wanyoike iri arekire ya mwisho kuria mwena wa TikTok akidance. Nie getwo Timo Castro.
Nyumba cia gukomborithia ndugatangike ringi ni turakwenderia gorofa ya floor 5 haria barabara nene ya Thika Super Highway thutha wa Kenyatta University KU. Gorofa ino ina muigana wa unit 43 na ikarire mugunda wa fiti ya 70 by 30. Na ndeto njega ni ati o mweri nyumba ino igagiria makiria ma ciringi 350,000. Nyumba ino turamiendia ciringi mirioni 37 tu. Niguo kwigwatira nyumba ino na uhoro makiria tuhurire thimu namba 0728 316 057 kana 0797 751 913. Wihike marigitinite nebo gaitana hoha. Gatho cia mwanya na ngunyitio geni muno muroreri wa Nyarari ya Murang'a kihoreri update ndumwe na Castro Media, na muthenya wa umuthi otogwo rakiona thutha witu tukiri kundu kuikaine ta Kimbo. Haha ni hakuhi na thukuru munene wa ufundithania kothi cia moko wa Nibs Technical College, na kuri tugiukite gukorwo tugikiaraniria ciugo igiri kana ithatu na andu aguku, na otauria urakimenya ni ati murugamiriri wa thukuru uyu wa Nibs Technical College ni arikirikitie gukorwo agikihuruka, na gwenda tukorwo tukiaraniria na amwe a arutwo aria makoma magithomera thukuru-ini uyu magitutaririe uhoro wigie igikuo kia madam principal wao na hihi ndumiriri ciao cia macakaya ni iriku. Na ni njitagwo Nyarari ya Murang'a, na mwena uyu gitukiri na muruna wakwa ambia mugeithie.
Na niĩ ngĩtagwo Shiro wa Kihoreri, na muthenya wa umuthi tukiri haha Nibs Technical College kuria tugiukite nigetha tukiaranirie na arutwo aria makoragwo thukuru-ini uyu magitutaririe maracakaya Lizzie Wanyoike ta atia. Ugutwambiriria na maritwa maku?
Okay, njitagwo Ken Masharia, ndi murutwo ha Nibs Technical College, ndirathomera utangathi diploma in mass communication ndi mwaka wa keri. Na gikuo kia Lizzie Wanyoike nikiratuguthire muno, atuku expect kitu kama hiyo, we didn't expect that, so ilitu hit sana, though tutakubali to everything the way it is. Yeah, because she has been our mom, she has been just been caring to us, anakuja na motivate, anatuambia akiona tunakosea, anakuja anatuongelesha. Just her motivation quotes were just inspiring to us. So at this time when ametuacha, tutasema tu may her soul rest in peace. Yeah.
Na Ken, Madam Liz alipass jana Sunday jioni, na pengine kuna maybe wanafunzi hawakuwa wanajua kama amepass, na walikuja leo asubuhi shule wakapata Madam Liz ni arakorirwo akihuruka. No ngende hi odariri atiriri rucini gukuhanaga ate thiini wa cukuru na irathi.
Rucini hakukuwa na nini, the mood was just tulikuwa kumenyamaza, hakukuwa na ile vibe inakuanga hapo before. Napata tu wanafunzi kuko tu calm. Then after all niliona teachers walikuwa meeting, wakitoka meeting they were just walikuwa wanalia, so ukiona tu as in ilikuwa tu inaumiza. Ukiangalia hata mood ya wanafunzi, all the students, the way they were behaving, the mood was just bad. Yeah.
Na Ken, uko which semester?
I'm in semester 7.
Semester 7, I believe wewe kama uko semester 7, najua umekuwa ukiinteract na Madam Liz sana. Na kulingana na vile umekuwa ukiinteract na yeye, naweza taka maybe in few words you describe Madam Liz.
So Madam Liz was a kind-hearted woman mwenye alikuwa occupy everyone in her heart. Alikuwa anakupea time, anakusikiza, anakusaidia, as in she was just a kind-hearted woman. Yeah.
Na ni maundu mariku uthomete kuma kwi Liz?
Maundu maria thomete kuma kwi Liz Wanyoike ni gukorwo jikare mundu wihokete Ngai, tado alikuwa most of times anakuja anatuambia trust in God. Ukikosa school fees, we just trust in God and everything will be well to you. So mi kwangu kutoka kwa Liz Wanyoike nimesoma nikuwe mtu ana trust in God in everything that I need, nikuwe na trust. Yeah.
Wow, asante sana. Na ona kuma guko tugikwire ni pole sana tondu ni ndiramenya wi murutwo nawe ni uhutitio na igutha inene muno makiria. Pole sana, ona ithini twatuma ndumiri citu cia macakaya, na nigetha gwitikiria uthie kirathi ni ngwenda ngigorwo ngikinyita ugeni mwana kiongi ukiri haha nake gigitwire hihi igutha riri iria Madam Liz kana Madam Principal rikoretwo rikimuguthite na njira ikihana ta. Karibu sana, na ngwenda udaririe maritwa maku na wikaga course iriku na wi semester iriku.
Hamalitwa makwa njitagwo Moses Wagana, njikaga course ya Information Communication Technology, term 7 module 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Moses, Madam Liz riu ni arikitie gukorwo agitutiga, no nyende udaririe gwa gikuhi hihi we uraririka Madam Liz na njira hana atia?
Ni wa mbere gikuo kia Madam Liz niki jagithitie thayo kuma muthenya wa ira, tondu ni ndiroi Madam Liz ni mundu urareheire impact nene muno kuri young people, especially youth, na gukorwo ari motivation speaker kurio, na then ni mutumia tugi urendete Ngai muno, na ni mutumia urendete kuona mundu akigacira thiini wa in life. Riu hakwa ni no njuge Liz Wanyoike tuge ni gituge kinene na ni turitwo muno, especially not only in Nibs Technical College but also the country wide.
Na mwita arutwo aguko Nibs ni mubangite mibango yanyu ihana atia ya kuhurukia Madam Liz?
Madam Liz ni tubangite maundu maingi tugukorwo tugika thiini wa wiki ino. Ni tugukorwo na candle lighting ya gwakia candles, na then wiki ino tugukorwo tugisherekea na ni tugakorwo na mass muthenya wa Friday. Yeah.
Ni pole sana, ni ndiona nginya ni urakengeria maithori, na tukiuge ati ni wega mukorwo ugitikira ati uguo niguo Ngai akoretwo agika, na no nyende ta ringi ukorwo ukiumiriria arutwo aria mukorwo mugithoma nao, na hi no nyende utanamba kumiriria arutwo ri udari wajira wikaga ICT, Information Communication Technology. Hihi kirathi gukuhanaga atia? How was the mood in the morning?
Muthenya umuthi kuma rucini ria tuingirire andu ni gukuoneka kuma na kieha kiingi muno, especially ona nginya kirathi ni ukuonaga the way arutwo makuriactaga kuma na kieha kiingi muno. So gutiuma na ni gukionekaga kuma na gucakaya kuingi muno kwina arutwo.
Hihi kuma muthenya wa hwaĩ Liz akirikia kuhuruka muramenyire ate kana muramenyithirie ate kana murokire kumenya rucini?
Turamenyire through social media platform. Yeah, ni se turamenyire. Yeah.
No nyende wewe ta mundu kiumbe ta ringi ukorwo ugikiumiriria arutwo wenzako na ugituma ndumiriri yaku ya macakaya kuri thukuru wa Nibs Technical College undu mwe na Liz Wanyoike family.
Wa mbere nĩ ngwamba gũtũma ndũmĩrĩri yakwa ya macakaya kũrĩ family ya Madam Lizzie Wanyoike na also the family ya Nibs Technical College ndĩmere Ngai ekaga kũringana na ũrĩa akwenda na tũkauga Lizzie Muthoni Wanyoike nĩ arũĩte mbara nene mũno na nĩ atuĩkĩte wa kũmĩtoria na kĩndũ kĩa mbere ndĩranotire about Lizzie Muthoni Wanyoike nĩ atĩ nĩ tũbatiĩ ta arutwo tũkamenyaga rĩrĩa tũgatua nĩ kũhurũka ta Lizzie Wanyoike tũkaririkanagwo na takĩ twekire tondũ legacy ya Lizzie Wanyoike nĩ atiga legacy nene mũno thĩinĩ wa bũrũri na thĩinĩ wa Kenya ng'ima. So ngamendithĩria makorwo mahinda maya makorwo na thayũ, Ngai wa moyo aromomĩrĩria na aromaririkana na tũkauga Lizzie Wanyoike aroma makwega hulaga.
Asante sana. Nĩ ngatho mũno Mr. Moses na onawe ũrogĩa na thayũ wa ngoro na Ngai ekaga kũringana na kwenda gwake na ũrĩa onaga nĩ kwagĩrĩire. Asante sana. Mwĩroreri tũrathiĩ na mbere na gũkorwo tũgĩkĩaranĩria na amwe a arutwo arĩa magĩkoragwo magĩthomera gũkũ ũguo thukuru ũyũ wa gũbundithania kothi cia moko wa Nibs Technical College. Nĩ tũgĩkorwo tũgĩkĩaranĩria na mũrutwo ũgĩkaga kothi ya ũmemerekia na nĩ twaranĩria na mũrutwo ũgĩkaga kothi ya ICT na haha ngakĩona tũkĩrĩ na njamba ĩngĩ ngwenda ĩgĩkorwo tugaithia agĩtwĩre marĩtwa make ekaga kosi ĩrĩkũ. Na karibu sana kijana, uniambie majina yako na unafanya kosi gani hapa Nibs?
Kwa majina naitwa Enoch Michubu. I'm a student doing ICT being in module 3, yeah. And in this story about the passing out of a great mom, she was our mom, it really hurts me. She was a good mentor. She was a mother to many, even those who aren't biological children. And kwangu nasikitika sana kwa maana like we lost a very great person whom her legacy will never be forgotten. And it really does affect us as a fraternity as a whole, and even different people in different places in different places. Naona she really did help people, even hata wenye si wanafunzi. There are some who wenye walikuwa wanahitaji usaidizi from her. She usually did counseling to some people, and pia she was a great mentor. So many people have lost a mentor. Yeah.
And what did you learn from her?
From her, I learned that everyone that is in need needs to be helped. No matter how small you help or how big you help, it means a lot to that person. And having her building the institution, she really catered for so many young people out here, because the institution really helps so many students in different ways, from different places. And all I can say is that I learned to be good to people. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. And pia sisi tunatuma our condolences messages to you guys. And hii ni will ya God, hakuna mtu anaweza change, si ndio? Yeah, so take heart and God will do everything. So mwiroreri guko turaria nginya githungu muthenya wa umuthi, tukire na andu matoe Gikuyu na turakiuga tondu ona ithuĩ nĩ twagĩthomire kĩrĩa kĩnini tũĩ no kwa tũgũkĩaria, na tukire na njamba ĩngĩ kĩrĩa hakĩhoreri gwenda ũkorwo ũkĩ-introduce mwanake ũyũ nĩgetha nake agĩtwĩre ndũmĩrĩri ĩno ĩrĩ hana.
Ngwenda ũgĩkorwo ũkĩambĩrĩria thonga haha mbere, ũkorwo ũkĩambĩrĩria na marĩtwa maku na ũcoke ũtũtarĩrie wĩkaga kosi ĩrĩkũ gũkũ kwa Nibs.
I'm Stephen Matata, doing ICT course at Nibs Technical College, currently diploma module 3. Yeah. Remember how Madam Lizzie Wanyoike did at Nibs. She was a mother to all. She was very good. In fact, she was a very good person, because I remember when it came to in terms of like fees, it was very serious in that, and also on time, because I remember there was a time there we were found there at the admin, and then she asked us, what are you doing here? And then we told him we were found at the hostel, were no classes. Then she said, when you go to class and read. So like she cared more about learning. Yeah, and so I remember her on that. Yeah.
Okay. And what is the legacy that she has left behind in Nibs College?
I can say the legacy about more is about
what can you remember her with?
Oh, I can remember her with the way she used to plead with parents in terms of when it came to in terms of if you have a challenge on fees, so you got to communicate with the parent and maybe see how you can pay the school fees, maybe in time. And also when it came to an exam, if maybe you have not finished the semester fee, you could also do the next exam. Yeah.
And can you remember the last ones she talked before dying or meeting her death?
The last was I can't remember.
In school, maybe addressing the students.
I remember last time he was addressing the students. It was on last year, 2023. Yeah, I remember when she was addressing the students. It was an opening, so we had all the ICT students. Yeah, the department at the 7th floor. She talked more about our behavior in school, and also how we are supposed to be disciplined even in school, and also putting much effort in education. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. Maybe you can send your condolences messages to your fellow maybe colleagues and the family at large.
Yeah, I can say what I want to say is kwa familia yao just to take akuwe na moyo na pia wasife moyo, kwa sababu kama ni Mungu alimuita yeda purpose, so nakuwa kwao.
Oh, asante sana, tumefurahi kuongea na wewe. Na kihoreri na gagicokia ngatho ni undu wa nake ucio twakorwo tugikiaraniria nao, na undu wa kumakania ni ati ndiramenya kana iretu niguo ya makiri naguo matirenda gukorwo makiaria, no ngakihoka ni tugukorwo tugikiaraniria na ni tugukorwo tugikionana taringi na andu aingi. Na kihoreri tutanarikiriria ri nyuma kuria uguo na he mwarimu tuma nake na agikorwo akinjira ati riria Madam Lizzie ari guku uguo kana rĩrĩa aragikoragwo eguku ni arakoragwo maybe some funny things na tarigita kurehera arimu thwiti ta me staff room uguo na ajira undu umwe marendete muno wigie Liza ni arakoragwo akimanyita tari ciana ciake ringi ni araingiraga ofisi ukaigwa gikimera mnajua nyinyi ni watoto wangu na akorwo akindariria ati onao enyewe marakoragwo magikimwita mama na ona bururi mugima taru ukona uririkane riria Madam Lizzie aragikorirwo agikihuruka hwairi ni rakorirwo kiona andu aingi muno rurenda-ini rukinyaniria maragikorwo magikimupost na Madam Lizzie darare
mucakaya na njira nene na njira njega na igwo mundu mucakaite na njira njuru koguo kuringana na ndumiriri cio Liz ni mundu urakire mwega na mwitikiru kuri andu
muno ona angikorwo ke darare mundu wa social media muno ri like ukiri wake like dararagia muno no ona ucio mundu atari mwaria ri ezi ni araririkanirwo na njira imwe nene muno makiria ta mutumia jamba na kihoti mutumia urerete ciana nyingi tariu ni gwaragia na one of my friend akindariria agokoragwo akindariria ati Liz Wanyoike mwanake cio kuma riria ingirire cukuru ndari aruta na kingorio Madam Liz through Lizzie Wanyoike Foundation athomire nginya akirikia cukuru aruta ndinduru ona emwe kona Madam Liz ni akorirwo akimurugamirira tukona Madam Liz otogwo kurerikana ati arari na ngoro njega muno ya compassion na kunyitirira andu aingi muno na tugakiuga ona ithuĩ gukiuma guku nenda-ini citu cia ukinyaniria kana kuma guku mitambo-ini itu aragithi na mbere na kumama kwega kuraga ndiria kimenya hihi we urakimuririkana na njira iriku
nie Liz Wanyoike ingimuririkana na the saying what a man can do a woman can do better tondu ni mutumia wa amwe a bururi uyu aria makoretwo makirutira na guteithiriria mbeu njithi yani ni mutumia utwike ukoretwo egicicio kia andu aingi guku bururi-ini.
Wow. Na tugagikenerera undu ucio na ithuĩ turi ta ciana cia atumia ni tubatie gukorwo tugifollow njira iyo Madam Liz agikorirwo agitubundithia na muno ithuĩ aingi aitu tukiri product ya moko make aingi tuthomeire thukuru-ini wake na ona ciugo iria athia na mbere na gukorwo agitwira ri no muhaka tuthi na mbere na gucihingia tuthi na mbere na kuthondeka utumia ucio warikia kweherera tondu giki ni gituge giarikia guthira thini wa bururi witu na tukiumite guko mwena wa Kimbo twi haha uguo mbere wa thukuru wa Nibs Technical College kuria tugukoragwo tugikiaraniria na amwe aria magithomagira thukuru-ini uyu tukiuge ndumiriri citu cia macakaya ni tutumite na Madam Lizzie Wanyoike arothi na mbere na kumama kwega kuraga mwiroreri ni tuguthi na mbere na kumenyithia ndumiriri iria cirathi na mbere na gukorwo ikirekererio ni andu matiganite cia macakaya cia Madam Lizzie Wanyoike na kuma guko guo kundu kuikaine ta Kimbo nie njitagwo Nyarari ya Muranga
na nie njitagwo Shiro wa Kihoreri
ni ngatho.